Hello dear traders, welcome back to Insta TV. I'm Anna Kasatkina. Let's take another look at the financial markets. The market has come to a standstill in anticipation of crucial data on the US labor market. Even the euro was trading sideways. Before leaving for the weekend, market participants were braced for the report from the US Labor Department. The euro-dollar pair was hovering at around 1.1370. The most popular currency pair remained in a trading range after a release of the US non-farm payrolls. The US dollar index was also trading sideways at about 96 points in the early North American trade. The index remained flat even after downbeat data on the US employment. To begin with, investors are discouraged with an employment change in November. According to the government data, the US private sector added 155,000 new jobs, well below expectations for 200,000 new jobs. The number of employed people in the US increased by 237,000 last month. The jobless rate remained at the level of 3.7%. The increase in wages over the past 12 months was unchanged at 3.1%. That is of little importance to market participants. The weak data knocked the US dollar down across the board. The dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair left 1.3440 mark, heading downward for the target level of 1.3260. On the other hand, the Canadian dollar found support from the upbeat report on Canada's employment. The number of employed people in Canada grew by 94,100 in November, from a small gain of 11,200 in October. The employment growth was beyond expectations. The jobless rate fell to 5.6% from 5.8% a month ago. Experts say the US dollar is going to trade under pressure against its rival currencies in the first days of the next week until the US presents inflation data. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and have a great weekend.